Assalamu alaikum students, I am your science teacher. Hope you all are doing well. Before moving to our topic, let's warm up activity. To do warm up activity, in this activity, we are going to choose one thing over another or you most like. For example, what you choose between chai or a coffee. First, I tell you my answer that what could I choose? I prefer chai over a coffee. Okay, now your turn. Okay, you choose coffee. Cool. Okay, next is for girls. Choose between mascara or lipstick. And I goes with mascara. You tell. Oh, you choose lipstick. Okay, another girl is saying mascara. Okay, great. So, thank you so much. Hope you enjoyed this activity. So, our today's topic is citizenship, and which is on page number 57. We are going to start a topic which is getting along with the others. Okay. Now, in this module, we are going to discuss about the chapter which is citizenship, and the topic is getting along with others. We often see people around us arguing or fighting with each other on a different matters. So, why do people behave like this? This happens when they disagree on some matters and each refuses to see the other person's point of view. For example, perhaps you are happily watching a television program when the door bursts open and your sister comes in. Oh no, she says, you are not watching that? It's time for my serial. And I have been watching it for a week. She goes to switch this channel and you start to argue or fight. Another example from our daily life can be when you want and your sister want the same dress, but you argue continuously to have that dress because it's your wish to have that kind of a dress. Although your sisters may also think same, but you ignore that and start arguing or even fighting for a dress. So, in this module, we are going to discuss between the conflict versus the peace. Now, what is peace? Albert Einstein says, peace is not merely the absence of war, but the presence of justice, of law, of order, in short of government. And Mother Teresa says, peace begins with a smile. You smile, look better. Okay, now what is peace? Peace is a state of harmony characterized by the lack of the violence, conflict behaviors, and the freedom from the fear of violence. Commonly understood as the absence of hostility, peace also suggests the existence of healthy or newly healed interpersonal or international relationships, prosperity in matters of social or economic welfare, the establishment of equality, and a working political order that serves the true interest of all. Conflict is the situation that arises when the people disagree. Here we are going to discuss about what is conflict. So, there are recognized opposing interests between the parties in a zero-sum situation. There must be a belief by each side that the other one is or will act against them. This belief is likely to be justified by the actions taken. And conflict is a process having developed from their past interactions. So, conflict is a situation that arises when the people disagree. When they learn to compromise and disagreement can give way to understanding of each other's points of view, this is in turn brings about the peace which is good for the both parties. And did you know, tolerance is dealing fairly with the people whose opinion is different from yours. Example of conflicts is social conflict can be happen, political conflict can be happen, economical conflict can happen, and the religious conflict also happen. Conflict causes unhappiness, and when we lose our temper, it becomes difficult to take any wise decision. Peace is not only keeps us happy but also led us to progress. Therefore, it is important to try to maintain peace and avoid conflicts in our daily lives. Because if all members of a society live in peace, then the society and the country will flourish. Here are some ways to keep the peace and avoid the conflict. And to have a peace in our life, we should show respect towards others. We should show respect towards others, and we should be considerate towards others. We should appreciate their good work. We should deal with everyone with the fairness and the justice. We should accept suggestions from the others. And we should be ready to resolve the conflicts every time. So, conflict management, did you know that conflict management means resolving a conflict fairly to the benefit of all concerned? I hope you get today's topic, which is conflicts versus peace, and keep others with. So basically, short thing is that peace, that is very important to live a life, healthy life, and conflicts should be removed because it created disagreement or fighting with others. So here are the points that should be keep to have a peace in a life and avoid the conflicts. You should respect towards other, appreciate other good work, and accept the suggestions from the other ones because it is better for your betterment. And should be ready to resolve the conflicts because our Islam is also teaching peace and avoiding the conflicts. Okay, now this is your homework. You have to do these two questions in your copy, and your submission date is 22, which is on Friday. So please complete your work, and hope you are saving yourself and staying at home. Stay safe, stay healthy. Allah Hafiz.